This video, we're going to show you guys how to remove your Generation 8 Toyota Camry front bumper. This here is an aftermarket front bumper you can find on KOCF.com, but this video will be suitable for all trims and models of 2018 to 23 Camry. So the first thing you're going to need to do is take off your radiator cover. This is the full engine bay kit in red carbon fiber from KOCF.com. Your clips may look a little bit different than mine, but use one of these clip prior tools to remove the clips. So once you get your radiator cover off, you can see the 2 clips and the 4 bolts that you need to take off. The first clip is right here, and then the 4 10mm bolts that you need to take off. And then there's one last clip right here. Now, under the car, there's going to be 8 10mm bolts that I already removed. They're not the splitter bolts that you see here under my car. They're actually the white piece circled here. There's 8 bolts that you're going to need to remove from under the car. I have a bolt here, but you're going to have a clip there. I have a bolt because when I air out on air suspension, it puts a lot of pressure on the bumper, so it does help me a lot. To take off the side of the bumper, you're going to need to pull, and it's going to unclip these 2 clips you see there. And for this part up here, you're going to want a pry tool. So you can pull back a little bit and expose the clips, and then you just put some leverage and push it up. And that's going to unclip these 3 clips you see here on the sides. You want to use a pry tool for this and be careful with these clips. So the only thing holding this bumper in place now is one of those 10mm bolts under the car. Once you get that off, the bumper comes right off, but you have to be very careful with this front sensor plug. Just go ahead and unplug that harness and you'll be able to take the bumper right off. Thank you for watching the video on how to remove your bumper. You can go ahead and do the same thing in reverse for installations. We just want to take a second to show off this crazy build. This is the KOCF.com Carbon Camry. Of course, it's decked out in carbon fiber, but you know we had to go crazy with the headlights too. This is the color changing RGB headlights, and these are under $1,000 for VIP members, which is a great price for color changing headlights. This is the V4 hood paired with the V1 fenders. You could see the red brake caliper covers there. This is the M-style mirror cap replacements. This is a glimpse of the window visors, B-pillars, door handle covers, gas door, trunk, diffuser, side skirts, you name it, we got it. Let's take a peek into the engine bay. This is the full kit for the i4 engine bay. This is real, genuine red carbon fiber, but this is also available in multiple color options and carbon fiber material options. We did just release the V6 engine cover. Please like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram at kingofcarbonfiber. We have the largest collection of Generation 8 Toyota Camry parts at KOCF.com.